Hello everyone, this video I would like to share with you how I bench test a fully functional E30 instrument cluster after repair. Let's turn on the ignition power. As you can see, the fuel gauge is on, service interval lights are on, also the temperature gauge is on. Then we can turn on the tachometer. As you can see, now the tachometer is on. All the service interval lights are supposed to be off. And we can check the full range of the tachometer. And the tachometer can be calibrated according to the RPM frequency. Next, let's check the speedometer. Now the speedometer is on. Let's check the full range of the speedometer. And the speedometer can be calibrated according to the current tire size on your E30. And also we can check the odometer, making sure all the odometer gears are running smoothly. Next, we can check the fuel economy gauge. Make sure it is fully functional. Then we can measure the resistance of the fuel gauge at each tick. As I change the resistance, and the fuel gauge will move. Then we can measure resistance at each tick and make sure they are within spec. And you're supposed to get a correct fuel level reading if your fuel level sensor is fully functional. Also, we can do this to the temperature gauge and measure the resistance of the temperature gauge at each tick, so you can calibrate according to your temperature sensor. Okay, next we can check all the lights. The back lights, low fuel level light, parking brake light, left direction light, the check light, the charging light, the brake fluid light, oil pressure light, the high beam right direction light, also the brake lining lights. Alright, let me know if you have any question.